Hi, I'm Warren.
I'm Roger.
I'm Rudy.
And we're going to talk to you a little bit about our dealership, the community that we serve, and why we're a great place to come to work. We have been in business in Greeley since 1908, having over 100 years of experience in serving our community. We are a dealership who has kept up with the times, constantly reinventing ourselves to serve our community and to keep up with our customers. We recently just completed a renovation of our dealership in order to offer a more modern and comfortable facility for our customers and our employees alike.
You might ask, why Greeley? Greeley is a great city with a small town feel. It's got a population of about 100,000 and a low cost of living. We've got fantastic restaurants. We're just a short drive to the beautiful mountains for outdoor rec, skiing, hunting, fishing, and enjoying all outdoor sports. These are just a few advantages of why Greeley and Northern Colorado.
We here at Weld County Garage are very proud of our culture. This dealership is a pillar of this community and Northern Colorado. We truly care about each individual employee, each individual customer, and our goal is to treat everyone exactly the same, to take care of their wants and needs. We are definitely looking for career-oriented people. I think the tenure of our employees in the shop is probably 10 years plus. I know we just announced the other day we've had 2 employees. One's been here for 21 years, the other for 26 years. And there's a reason for that. We don't have turnover because they value their job, they value their position, what they stand for, and the community. A lot of dealerships have issues where we always have to order parts, they don't keep an inventory. This dealership keeps over $2 million in running inventory. So we always have a constant supply of what we need to keep our technicians working on the car. We give them support staff. We shuttle cars for them. We run the parts for them. We do the little things so they can actually stay effectively working in their business. As a previous technician, I value and want to instill into our people here that we are all about the technician.
We look forward to you joining our team.